Day number 784. 784 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Hello, everyone. Welcome today on a Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday. April the 17th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars Sudoku and the 4 stars Sudoku and the binary. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have also two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But now, this afternoon, I will start with the 3 regular puzzles. And the 3 regular puzzles are the 3 stars. Let me pull this up. Okay. The 3 stars, the 4 stars, and the binary, yes. The first one is the 3 stars puzzle. Number. Let me pull this up. Okay. This will be number 8375. Let me zoom this in. 8375. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 8375. This one has 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one. 28. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, 28 should be a 0 star. 0 stars puzzle need to be faster, 14-30 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 3 stars puzzle or a 0 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Yeah. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be there in this column. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there, so 1 digit left in this column for the 1. The 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Alright. And then 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so no row between. Only 2 places left, and 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 5 here. Need a 4 here. Well. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the middle column for numbers. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 3. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, and look, we have a 3 and a 9 in this row, so no 3 and a 9 in this box. 3 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 1. How about 8 in the last column? 8 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then, let me see. How about the 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for 4, A should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 3 in the 7, 3 in the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 6, okay, and now. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this column, so no 3 in this box. We have 3 in this row, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. Then, let me see which number can I pick. How about 5 here? Yeah. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for 4, it should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And 8 goes, 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for number. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. And nope, 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. So the only place left for 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the first 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. The 5 goes and there. 7 in this row. 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places 11 and 7 should be here or there. We have a 7. Sorry, we have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. So the only place 11 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Wait, no. 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay, how about the 3? 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this row, no 3 in there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. And we have a pair, the 3 and 8 in this row. The 3 and 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left of 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing here. No, wait. So we have 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left of 5 is should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. The final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We finish in 11 minutes. Told you. Cannot be a 3 stars, cannot be a 2 stars, cannot be a 1 star, should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes, so well pleased with the time. And I like this one, so we'll do the fix. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.